The huntsman has its eyes fixed on its prey. A small mistake here, and it could be the end of the story. And what was feared has happened. The prey has accidentally dropped itself in a pool of death, and the huntsman is quick to react. It's rushing fast towards its meal, and it has conquered it and wiped it off completely.
Hey guys, I am Sumit. Now just like you, for the last 60 days I have also been under lockdown. And I have spent at least 1 hour every day sweeping and mopping my house. Now in totality, I have spent over 60 hours across these 2 last months just cleaning my house. My life completely changed since the time a guy came into my life. I'm talking about the brand new Robo Vacuum Cleaner, which is from the Me brand. Now we announced this product last month under our crowdfunding module, and over 3,000 of you have already booked your pieces with us. Now before I tell you how exactly this piece of technology works, let me tell you the tech behind this. The Me Robo Vacuum Mop P comes with a quad-core Cortex A7 processor, which is coupled with a dual-core Mali 400 GPU for real-time data and information processing. Now this processor and GPU works with LDS, which is also known as Laser Distance Sensor, coupled with SLAM, Simultaneous Localization and Mapping algorithm to understand the in-room conditions in real time. The first and foremost highlight of this product is that it is built to take care of both vacuuming and mopping functions. So now you get efficient cleaning just on the press of a button. There are 3 inbuilt modes to choose from: vacuuming only, mopping only, and vacuuming plus mopping. Now this works with the 2-in-1 water come the dust box. Now there are 12 high precision sensors which come built within the Me Robo Vacuum Cleaner. There are 2 precision sensors which I would love to talk about. Number 1, there is a cliff sensor which is built within. Now across Indian households, we place a lot of carpets and rugs inside our houses. Now this guy can understand the inclination and go on top of it to even clean a rug or a carpet. Now the second sensor which I wanted to highlight is the anti-drop sensor, and this question came in from a lot of people who live in duplex. The question was quite simple: if you leave it unattended, will it fall off the stairs? Actually, no. Because of the anti-drop sensor, the moment it recognizes that there is a staircase ahead, it will automatically come back from that area to avoid any fall or to avoid any damage to the device. It's super frustrating to run out of charge whenever you are doing something important. The Me Robo Vacuum Cleaner automatically goes back to the charging dock whenever it runs out of juice. And whenever it is charged, it will automatically go to the breakpoint and start cleaning again. Like all our other smart products, the Me Robo Vacuum Mop P also integrates with the Me Home app. You can run it on different power settings: silent, standard, medium, and turbo for harder stains. You can also schedule cleanups to ensure that your house is always clean even before you walk in. You can also define restricted areas if you do not want the vacuum cleaner to go into a certain area in the house. You can also define zone cleaning, which basically ensures that it only caters to that selected area which has been defined by you. And there are tons of functionalities which you will absolutely love. This brilliant piece of tech is now available on pre-order on me.com, and you can order it for a terrific pricing of 17,999 till 15th of June. We hope you found this episode useful. Keep coming back to the channel for more and more useful content. This is Sumit signing off, and I will see you in the next one.